think the coast is clear.
I think I see him. Ha!
Did it?
Miss Giggles, we're going together now, right?
Oh, all that transporting makes me tired. Oh. You!
Oh yes, I have power too, I forgot! Oh. It worked! It worked! Yes! Woo! If you want to know what happens next, you stay tuned and watch Serial Killer 5! Until tomorrow. Bye.